Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be talking about GitHub Pages and how to host a website for free. So let's get straight into it. So in this video we'll be deploying a website in just few clicks. Today I'll show you step by step how to host your site using GitHub Pages. Let's get started. So what is GitHub Pages? I'll explain you everything in detail. It's a free hosting service provided by GitHub that allows you to publish static websites, perfect for portfolios, documentations, or simple projects. It's free forever, so that there's no hosting fees. It's fast and secure, which runs on GitHub's global servers, and you can also have custom domains. But the drawback it has is there's no backend. It is only HTML, CSS, and JS. It has a limited bandwidth, and it's not ideal for high traffic or medium heavy websites. No database or backend logic is there. Also, you'll need a third-party API or services for things like contact forms or comments. There is a little bit of basic customization, but it's not as flexible as full web hosting. And there's limited server configuration options as well, so that's pretty limited. And also there are some prerequisites to it. You need to have your repository to be public, because private repos need a paid GitHub plan, right? And let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to log into your GitHub account and create a repository. Once you create your repository, make sure it's public, because GitHub Pages is only free for public repositories. Now, once you've already created a repository, step 2 is drag and drop your files into the repository and make sure it is under the main branch, and click on save and commit your changes. Once your files are uploaded, go on to settings. Under pages, you will find there is deploy from a branch. Make sure that is GitHub Actions and click on configure for GitHub workflows. Just commit your changes, leave everything as it is, and once that's done, you just have to wait. Just give it like 5 to 10 minutes. So now you will be able to see your link once you refresh. So click onto the link and there you go. Your website is live. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the thumbs up if you like the video, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much.